Before our beloved Imam Shah Rahim al-Hussaini arrived in Canada, something very special was already being prepared by the community. Across the country, many young people, along with carpenters, artists, and creative individuals, came together with one shared idea. They wanted to welcome the Imam in a unique and meaningful way. They did not want to just greet him with words. Instead, they wanted to present something that could deliver a deep message. After thinking and planning together, they decided to create an open door. This was not just an ordinary door. It was carefully made from wood and designed in an open position. Every part of it was created with care, love, and creativity. For them, this door was not just a physical structure, but a symbol with a powerful meaning. The idea behind the open door was very beautiful. It represents the Ismaili Imamat. Just like an open door welcomes people, the Imamat is always open for everyone. It is open to guide people, to help communities, and to support humanity across the world. Through this simple but meaningful design, the youth wanted to show that the Imamat spreads hope, unity, and positivity everywhere. They also wanted to highlight something very important. The institutions created by the Imamat are not only for one group of people, they are open for everyone, whether they are Ismaili or not. These institutions provide education, healthcare, and many other opportunities to people from different backgrounds and different faiths. For example, Aga Khan universities are playing a very important role in society. Every year, many students graduate from these institutions as doctors, nurses, and skilled professionals. These graduates go back to their countries and serve their communities. They help improve healthcare systems and support people in need. In this way, the impact of the Imamat continues to spread across the world through education and service. So this open door was not just an artwork, it was a message that the doors of opportunity, service, and compassion are always open. Along with this, another beautiful project was also created by the community. More than 3,700 pieces of traditional fabric were collected from members of the Jammat across Canada. Each piece of fabric had its own story. These fabrics represented the cultures, traditions, and identities of different families. All of these pieces were brought together to create a large and meaningful art installation. When combined, they showed unity and diversity. Even though every piece was different, together they formed one beautiful artwork. This showed how the community stays united while respecting different cultures and traditions. This installation was designed with 4 main pillars. Each pillar represented a different region and its traditions. These regions included South Asia, Central Asia, Iran, and Syria. Each pillar reflected the history and culture of the people connected to those regions. In the center of this artwork, there was a powerful message. It showed a united Canadian Jammat. People from different backgrounds, cultures, and even different religions were living together as one community. This reflects the true spirit of Canada, where diversity is respected and people live together in peace. During this special visit, our beloved Imam also granted a special youth mulakat on the 26th of March. This was a very important and memorable moment for the young members of the Jammat. It gave them a chance to be in the presence of the Imam, to feel inspired, and to strengthen their connection. After the youth mulakat, the beautiful open-door artwork was presented to the Imam. This piece had been created with great effort by skilled carpenters and painted by talented young artists. It was inspired by the guidance and vision of the Imam, and it reflected the values that he continues to teach. On Thursday, the Imam met with young members of the Jammat from different regions, including Quebec, Ottawa, Kingston, and the Maritime provinces. This special mulakat brought together youth from many areas and gave them a sense of unity and purpose. The next morning, another important event took place. The Imam participated in the groundbreaking ceremony of the new Laval Jamatkhana. This ceremony marked the beginning of construction for a project that had been planned for many years. The Laval Jamatkhana was designed to be a new space that would serve both the Ismaili Imamat and the wider community in Greater Montreal. The event brought together community members, local leaders, and government representatives. Everyone gathered to celebrate the start of this important project. This Jamatkhana was planned as a modern and environmentally friendly community center. It was developed with the support of the city of Laval, local residents, and community leaders. The goal was to create a space that would not only be used for prayer, but also for many other activities.